4 Nightshade 512s in a 4th order. On 4 cab 45s, 1 per at half ohm each. We got Sundown Neo Pros and all the doors. Got just a 100.4 on them. Still running factory head unit, of course. Never gonna change that.
Yep.
So
nice. Has your tuning changed, changing subs at all? Have you noticed anything different?
No,
Same.
No. Well, because we went from the X series to the Nightshades, it did get punchier, but it still plays low as good.
Okay. And I noticed you added a little bit to the port. Have you dialed it in a little more?
So yeah, we shrunk the port with the plexiglass. I wanted to save the signatures. I didn't want to cover that up. But we know we needed to shrink it. So I had a friend of mine that had the idea of using plexiglass. So we just took some scrap pieces and threw it in there.
Yes, sir.
Looks good at night with the lights.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure.
Looks real good with the lights.
Very nice.
I'll send you a picture on that. Like a little thumbnail.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, use that for the thumbnail.
Sounds good. Very nice.
Oh yeah.
What are these subwoofers rated at RMS wise?
3,000.
3,000. Okay. And before you had the X's.
Yes.
Okay. So
and before that, they were the U series.
Which one do you like out of all 3?
These.
These. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hey there, man. Are you in line? Are you sure? Okay. Well, this looks good. Nice.
I just got that. Yeah, I just got that on Friday.
That sounds better. There you go.
All right, so it's Mike Young, Work Truck Mafia.
Very nice. All right, demo. I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, hey, big shout out to Apex Audio. Apex Audio has been great to me. They've been great getting me shipping on the Nightshades. They've been great with the Cab 45s. #1 place to get it.
All right. Apex Audio.
Apex Audio. Yeah, there's a good picture on the back of the truck.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my sticker's on different now. Bobby Gately. Big shout out to Bobby Gately. Jacob Ford. Who we got? Derek Haddock.
Nice.
Hunter Martin. I can keep on naming them. I mean, there's car audio history there.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you. Can I see the amps?
Yeah. Let me look at the doors. Hey, I got them on both sides.
Nice. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a mic system at the Ruckus and Chill Show, Fayetteville, North Carolina area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. There is a lot of signatures, so that means a lot of people came and heard his system. He's come a long way. These are really powerful subs rated at 3,000 watts RMS conservatively. Really like the whole box layout. Efficiently fitting 4 12s and a bandpass 4th order enclosure. Kind of curious about the specs of the sub, so I looked it up online. That's kind of how it looks visually. This is the 12-inch version of the Nightshade version 5, and those are the specs if you want to read it, or just Google. It looks like it has a really high X max of 40 millimeters, which is impressive. And these are Neo subwoofers, so really efficient, utilize motor force and space. And if you notice the way the amplifiers are and the way he has the box built into the truck, really efficient. So he actually has a lot of room for his seats to go back and an efficient way to install the box. So it probably was a slide in and then they had to build around it to get it to fit in there. But I'm not really sure about all the box specs, but be sure to give him a like. Shout out to you, Mike. Great demo. Total of 18,000 watts on 4 12-inch subs in his daily driver work truck Mafia system. We're getting to a demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy.
closed in your wall here. That's helped a lot. You got a lot of signatures. Very nice, man.
I mean, there's car audio history here.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.